It's Business Morning, June the 5th with me, Bosun Mafai. Let's get the 6th of June, pardon. Let's get the show started today. This is some of the headlines we have for you at this time. There's a new deal signed between Boeing of the United States and a local company by the name Spring Fountain, saying the deal worth about $20 billion would be for aircraft leasing, maintenance, repair, overhaul, spares, and logistics. This is one new business deal that's coming in the news this morning. Nigeria sending this one Nigerian company getting into these aviation services business with Boeing, one of the world's leading aircraft maker, and the company listed, of course, on the New York Stock Exchange. That's one big news. Then, of course, one local news that's very interesting, tracking your stolen mobile phones. The Computer and Allied Products Dealers Association, that's a union of computer dealers in Computer Village in Ikeja, says they've developed a web portal that could track stolen phones, and that software was developed in partnership with Fundreg Software. The portal will be unveiled this month, June, and already has about 200 registered traders, phone traders on that portal. And when it is unveiled, they want more people to come on, so that if your mobile set's stolen, they could track whoever the thief really is. One news all of us would like to say thank you and kudos to this local software developers putting that out there. Meantime, we're still tracking the missing crude. The House of Reps committee hearing opened yesterday and insisting that $15 billion worth of crude money is still missing on the NNPC accounts. Yes. So, how did it tally up to $15 billion? This is what the rep says. They said in 2011, crude oil worth $4.2 billion was missing on the books of the NNPC, the State Oil Corporation. In the following year, 2012, the value of the crude oil missing was $5.5 billion, according to the House of Reps Committee own investigations. And in 2013, they says $2.5 billion of crude oil was missing. And in 2014, the missing crude was valued at $2.8 billion. So if you do a simple math, you get $15 billion. Previously, there were figures around $20 billion, $17 billion. Now we come down to $15 billion, and a breakdown, you have them on your TV screen from the House of Reps. So that's in the news this morning, but also in the news overnight. The Central Bank of Nigeria tells authorized dealers to sell their excess FX trading positions to other dealers at one narrow spread maximum between dealer A and dealer B without seeking prior approval of the financial regulator. The purchased FX funds at the interbank market, however, must not be held in a position overnight by the buying authorized dealer or sold to another dealer. The circular from the central bank says such interbank purchases or excess purchase from one dealer to the other shall only be sold to customers for permitted or eligible transactions, quote and unquote, and not to other authorized dealers. In other words, don't round trip it. If dealer A sells to B, B should just sell that amount same day to instant customers for eligible transactions and shouldn't be sold to dealer C. That's what that circular means in simple terms. Meantime, the financial regulator reminded all authorized dealers, mainly commercial banks, to remember their respective foreign currency trading position limits and should not be exceeded without approval from the regulator. Meantime, all interbank trades, whether sports or forwards or futures or options and swaps, with impact on a particular dealer's position limit must comply with, quote, rate reasonability standards. Okay, those dealers know what that means. Reasonability, rate reasonability standards. You should keep your transactions within reasonability standards. That's what the central bank says. Meantime, the regulator injected fresh $190 million on Monday into the wholesale markets, the SMEs window, and the invisibles markets. That's a little bit of what happened on Monday to kick off the new trading week. But in terms of the numbers, let's check through how the Naira finished off on Monday. Quite a very interesting day. The currency, local Naira, gained on the dollar at the investors and exporters window. But let's start from the top and look at the interbank spot market. The Naira remained lukewarm, if you want to say sluggish, yes, against the dollar around 305 position. We've seen that level largely unchanged over the last couple of days. More of that activity in the FX at the investors and exporters window, where the central bank is selling very rapidly and autonomous money is coming in as well. At the street market, the Naira also gained on the US dollar on Monday to start the week. So you've seen a bit of gain at the street market and the interbank at the investors and exporters. Quite a lot of markets to keep remembering every day, isn't it? Can't we just have a single market? Yes, 377.91. That's about 0.17%. And the market is running really ahead of the others.